अच्छा,
Yes.
Haripriya. Yes, Haripriya. Good evening. Hmm. Can you give me the result of this one? This is a one more result. Then we'll solve the questions on this. This is result 7. Let's do result 8. C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square plus and so on Cn square. What should be the answer of this?
So C1, C0 is like NC1 and C0.
Yes, C0 C1. This acha sorry. This is actually NC0 square plus NC1 whole square plus NC2 whole square. This is this representation. NCN whole square. What's the answer for this?
So 2 to the power n.
No. Why?
1 minute.
What happened to them? I think what to see, this is actually very easy. In the above formula, if you see, in the above formula, if you put r is equal to 1, sorry, not r is equal to 1. If you put r is equal to 0, you will be getting this result now. See, nc naught square plus this is r is 0, so nc 1. This here it will be nc2 into nc r plus 2. Okay. If you put r is equal to 0 in the above result, you should get the result. So the answer should be 2nc n minus 0, which is 2nc, and either you put in this or you put in this 2nc n plus 0. Both ways you're going to get 2ncn. So the answer is 2ncn. Okay. Haripriya, got it?
Yes, sir.
It was easy. Acha, now let me give you the questions. I think actually this must be the last topic of this. Multinomial theorem is also there. Acha, I'm giving you the question. Try solving this.
Sorry, sir, for joining very late.
You joined very late.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was like outside, so that's why.
Okay, okay. Actually, I taught one topic only, one concept only. I gave this formula and asked to derive
This
this result.
combination one.
NC naught whole square plus NC1 square. You'll get this result by putting R is equal to 0 in the previous result that we have got.
Yeah, combination one. I know. This is this is
Hmm.
one is my favorite one.
Okay,
Easy than combination one. Like both are easy.
okay, okay. Try to solve this question then.
Okay, so
So I'm getting 2 to the power n by n plus 1.
You're getting 2 to the power n by n plus 1. How did you do? Using integration. Okay. So let me solve it by your method only. You have
First I did 1 plus x whole to the power n minus 1 minus x whole to the power n.
well, let me check. Wait. NC2 into x square, NC3 into x cube. Like that we'll do, and we'll write as NCn into x power n. Acha, it's given C1 by 2. So they actually want us to do integration. Integration of 1 plus x whole power n dx if you do, integration of nc naught dx plus integration of nc1 dx into x is also there. Why it is hanging? Into x dx plus integration nc2 into x square dx, like that. Integration nc3 into x cube dx. So on and so on, you can do integration ncn x power n into dx. Now you can write it. This one you can write 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to nc naught. Nc naught will come outside into x plus nc1 into x square by 2 plus nc2 into x cube by 3 plus nc4. What I am doing? I move ahead. nc3 into x power 4 by 4 plus and so on, ncn x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? Now we have to put x is equal to 1, then it will be 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to nc naught plus nc1 by 2 plus nc2 by 3 plus nc3 by 4 plus and so on. You are getting ncn by n plus 1. What they have asked actually, asked from c1. Then we have to minus this. 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus nc naught. Nc naught value is 1. Yes?
So not just NC1, we can do NC2 by 3, NC4 by
NC, no. NC naught is 1, na? Rest all things are there. Rest all values we have to. Acha, 4 is also not there. Okay. Sorry. You have to minus them. Acha, you have to put
So
the.
that's why I did 1 plus x whole to the power n minus 1 minus x whole to the power n.
You are correct actually. Here only we can do something. This is this one. This equation you can take because they have. I did not see actually properly. They wanted only odd powers, right? So we have to maintain the odd powers. If we put x is equal to minus x here, let's minus it. Or I can do one more thing. I put x is equal to 1 here. I'll get 1 plus, I'll get 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. I'll get this value and I'll keep it as it is. 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to nc naught plus this. Now, if I put similarly, if I put x is equal to minus 1 in the above equation, I will get 0 and this will be minus. 0 is equal to minus NC naught plus NC1 by 2 minus NC2 by 3 plus NC3 by 4, like that, minus NC4 by 5. Yes, no, because there we were getting odd powers. This is the second equation. And that is your first equation. Now, if you add them, you want me to add them, huh? We'll add them. If we add 1 plus 2, we'll get 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And these things will be cancelled. This will be cancelled with this. This will be cancelled with this. And this will also be cancelled. They all won't add odd powers. So we'll get 2 into NC1 by 2 plus NC3 by 4 plus NC5 by 6, so on and so on, the sum that they require actually. So you will be getting 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 divided by 2. So 2 power n by n plus 1. This answer you are getting?
Yes, sir.
Then you are getting right answer only. Where is the
No,
mistake?
I don't know how. Oh, it's none.
It's not there in the options.
Yeah.
There's some printing mistake. Let me check what they do. Did we miss something? No. No, everything is correct. There is some mistake in the options.
So if what have they given the answer as, sir?
They have given the answer as A.
Okay.
See, this is the longer method actually. The longer method. If you want in the examination hall, if you want to solve it very quickly, what I would suggest, put n is equal to 1. Put some values. Trick is, put n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1 is there, these things will not be there. Okay. So it will be 1C1 divided by 2. Here 1 by 2. And in the answer, which of the answer is giving you 1 by 2? Just see. It's this one. 1 by 2. All options will give us different one. I don't know why we are not getting -1. We are missing something. Trick is put n is equal to 1. Only this option is satisfying, na? So this is short trick. Because you know r can never be greater than n. It's not possible. So if you put n is equal to 1, those terms will not be there, only this term will be there. So from the options, check for what n value you are getting the answer. According to them, it should be correct, but I don't know why we are not getting this. We are getting 2 power and we are not, why we are not getting -1. N plus 1 by n plus 1, okay. Okay, everything is correct. This is okay. Then there should be a flaw. in the question. Otherwise, by all the whatever methods you choose, you should get the right answer. We are correct actually. Array yaar. No. Acha, x is equal to -1 we have put now. Okay. Correct. X is equal to -1 means this 1 minus 1 will be 0. 0 power n plus 1 is 1. 0 only. Correct. No problem. Right, everything was right. I'll check. According to our normal solving, we are getting 2 power n by n plus 1, but by putting the trick and this substituting, we are getting A. You have understood the trick part, na? How to solve this kind of question when options are given? Hey, Priya?
Yes, sir.
Kanishka? Actually, you need not have to do this much lengthy process.
Yes, sir.
Achha, try solving this one. Don't worry, I'll check where we are missing something. Otherwise, according to me, everything is correct. Achha, for this, I'll tell you one trick. It's easier to solve these kinds of question. How? See, Haripriya and Kanishka, look at this very carefully. When you solve these kinds of question, na, if you are not able to find out by using integration, differentiation, or by adding or subtracting, you are not able to find out, you are not able to frame the series. In that case, what you should do, take the rth term. Rth term is 2r plus 1 NCR. Correct? Yes? So, this series becomes, this is a method, or you can say it's a trick to solve series questions. Actually, our series is here, in this case, the series is the sum of 2r plus 1 NCR, where r is moving from 0 to n. Correct? Now I can write this one as, if I take sigma inside, I can write this one as sigma r is equal to 0 to n 2r into NCR plus sigma r is equal to 0 to n NCR. This one is 2 sigma r is equal to 0 to n R into NCR plus sigma R is equal to 0 to n NCR. Okay. Now you have to just put the value of the series to, this is 1 into NC naught. Sorry, this is 0 actually. 0 plus 1 into NC1 plus 2 into NC2 plus 3 into NC3 plus and so on n into NCN plus NC naught plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 so on and so on up to NCN. Right? Understood? Haripriya? Kanishka, okay na? These
Yes,
values you already know, because the above result I have already given to you. Because if you see that result I have given, I think this one, 1 into NC1, 1 into NC1 plus 2 into NC2 plus 3 into NC3, result 5. This one, n into
sir,
NC.
but there is no option, so it should be none of these.
Wait, let me check. Wait, this is n into 2 power n minus 1. 2 into n into 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n. So it will be n into 2 power n plus 2 power n. So n plus 1 into 2 power n you should get. It's there in the option now. See. You understood or not? This is a trick. This is a method actually. You can say it as a trick or method. Actually, Diva has missed a lot today. She may be having the exam tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't know. This Sunday, but and she was weak in this topic only. I have told 2 or 3 topics. One short trick I have told that she would have used in her examination to solve questions very quickly. The other is this method. Achha, let me give you one more question. Can you solve this kind of question? what happened? You're able to solve it or not? Haripriya?
Sir, I don't know, but I think it's A.
It's A, correct. Why you're not getting the right answer or what?
No, sir. It's like it's so long. I just did the substitution and I wasn't sure.
You should be able to get the answer if you put x is equal to 1 and x is equal to -1.
Yeah, that's what I did, sir. But at the first, I was like expanding it whole.
Oh, that's the actually method, no? The method that we have learned from the beginning.
I did something wrong and I got,
Mm.
so I just then substituted it.
When you put x is equal to 1, it will be 1 power n, that's 1 is equal to a naught plus a1 plus a2 plus and so on a2n. And if you put x is equal to -1, you will be getting 3 power n is equal to a naught minus a1 plus a2 plus and so on a2n minus 1 whole power 2n. Actually, it should be positive. It will be positive. So when you want only even terms, you have to add them both, 1 plus 2. So 3 power n plus 1, this will be equal to 2 times. These things will be cancelling each other. Actually, there is one more typical theorem, multinomial theorem. Actually, I don't know whether it's being taught to you because it's an advanced concept. Multinomial theorem, and one more thing for so 3 power n plus 1 by 2 you will get as a naught plus a2 plus a4, something like that, to a2n. This should be the answer. So the answer should be A. These questions you'll be able to do. These also you'll be able to do. Acha, can you give me the answer for this? Then in the next class, I'll teach you, I'll take the multinomial theorem, and then we will start for this one. Circles we have done, na? I repeat, did we do straight lines we have done, na? Circles we have not done.
Yes.
Circles also we have done. Right, right.
Yes, sir.
So we'll start with the parabola. In the next class, I'll do the multinomial theorem and then we'll start the circles. Then we'll start the parabola. Actually, the multinomial theorem that I'll be teaching you, it's an advanced concept, not being taught to you. The next class will be fully based on advanced. Two concepts, both are of advanced level. JEE main, up to JEE main, everything is covered here. One multinomial theorem and one more thing is left. One multinomial theorem and binomial theorem for any index. these two concepts will be done in next class. Try solving this question as homework. Okay, take it as a homework. We'll end the class.